Hey everyone, it's Michael Padone with SalesBuzz.com. I'm the founder of SalesBuzz.com, and if you're at this page, you must be curious on how this program works. So let me just break it down for you. First things first, SalesBuzz.com's online sales training course helps individuals as well as sales teams. Our B2B phone skills improvement program is a step-by-step how to sell over the phone training course that will have students selling confidently in less than an hour. So here's how it works. Individuals who sign up for the course will have immediate access to the material. The first thing you'll do is watch lesson plan number 1, how to pique your prospect's interest in the first 30 seconds. This short 23-minute video is going to show you exactly what to say and how to say it to get your prospects willing to have a conversation with you. You'll then take a mini quiz to ensure you understand the material 100%. You can always go back and rewatch or fast forward the video lesson plans as you deem fit. Next, you'll print out your one-page sales call strategy. This is your roadmap so you're never lost on a sales call again. The next step is to print out your step-by-step guide and sales script templates to help you build your new customized opening value statement. There's even an audio example of how to say your new opener. After all, it's not just what you say, it's what you say and how you say it. You'll even have a role-playing guide to follow for daily exercises. Now look, I know the only thing salespeople hate more than cold calling is role-playing, but iron sharpens iron, and the students that role-play see the fastest results and start earning the highest commissions. All of this is going to take you about an hour, and then we recommend you get on the phone, put to practice what you just learned. You're going to see that you're now getting prospects willing to take your call, and your fear of the phone is disappearing fast. When you're ready, start the next module, rinse and repeat. It's that simple. At the end of the training, there will be a final exam. Pass, and you'll get a digital certification that you could add to your LinkedIn profile. And if you don't pass for the first time, you can always go back, study the areas you need to research, and retake the exam until you get it right. You'll have 12 months access to the training course. The downloadable sales script templates and materials are yours to keep. For teams, in addition to everything individual students have access to, sales managers will have admin access. This will allow sales managers 2 key feature benefits. 1, they can add students, including future new hires, anytime they want. When a student is added, each student will automatically receive an email informing them that they are enrolled in the course with instructions on logging in, setting their password, and starting the lesson. Number 2, there are up-to-the-minute progress and exam reports so managers can see how each member is doing. The manager's admin portal is unique because some companies may not want all of their sales reps to start simultaneously, so you have complete control over who has access and when you want them to start. You may also have some new hires planned, so the last thing you want to do is hold everybody else up waiting for their start dates. Now you don't have to. With our on-demand sales training course, you can start your current team now to help spark revenue growth and add new students as part of the onboarding process when they begin. It's a win-win. One last thing, the course is self-paced. However, we recommend scheduling the training for 1 module a week over 8 weeks. We call this method our sharpening the axe sales training formula. It allows students time to digest and put to practice what they've learned so that it becomes part of their routine, their habit, before moving on to the next training module. The clients that follow this method are the ones that get the best sustained results. If you're an individual, you can check out now and get started right away. For teams, pick the number of seats you need, and once the transaction is complete, you'll be taken to a landing page where you can schedule your one-on-one onboarding call with us. Let's get started.